Today we'll be learning about the quadratic formula. The quadratic formula is negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c divided by 2 times a.
So in this first problem, 4x squared plus 7x minus 15 equals 0. The first thing you want to do is identify your a, b, and c. A equals 4, b equals 7, and c equals negative 15. Next, you want to take your a, b, and c and plug them into the quadratic formula. Next, you're going to rewrite it as negative 7 plus or minus the square root of 7 squared minus 4 times negative 15 divided by 2 times 4. 7 squared is 49, and 4 times negative 15 will give you a negative 240. When you do 49 minus a negative 240, it's basically doing 49 plus 240, which gives you 289.
The equation will be negative 7 plus or minus 17 divided by 8. So the first equation would be negative 7 plus 17 divided by 8, which will equal 1.25. The second equation would be negative 7 minus 17 divided by 8, which will equal negative 3. Lastly, our two zeros are 1.25 and negative 3.
And these are our credits. Yo, we're finally done with this stupid project. I don't like Mr. Hill. That's why I call him Lil Bill.
Little Bill? Huh? Little Bill? Oh, okay. I'm about to fire all of y'all. What the freak is this, Junior? What the freak is this, man? Like, who does stuff like this? So this is Jose modeling his JCPenney shirt and his Walmart jeans. Alright, so there was one day when Ashana walked into the classroom and she was like, "Hey, Matthew." And Matthew was like, "Dang, I like chocolate." And this is the picture after he went to the bathroom.